Check it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Sapna. I hope you are all safe and sane, doing things that you love while staying at home. So for today's video, I'm going to make myself a cute bag. So I wanted a sling bag, that round jute kind of bag or rattan bag or any sort of handmade bag. So since they are very costly, I thought of making it myself for me, since we are all in quarantine. Burlap, no, burlap, yeah. So the material is burlap, so I'm using this carry bag that we got with some winter wear. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. As you can see, it looks nice from the front, but it has a massive hole in its back. So I'm thinking of making a cute round bag, a sling bag, since I don't have made any bags. Yeah, and it is my first time making a bag. So let's see how it goes. Let's get started. So let's start by taking out the star of our show. So I'm going to take out all the seams from this bag so that I can have individual pieces to work with. So after seam ripping, the bag looks something like this, with two squares and a long piece of rectangle. And now I'm taking this denim cut out. So this is how big I want my bag to be, and it will also act as the guide to cut out the pieces. And now I'm going to trace out the shape, giving myself an inch of seam allowance. And now I'm going to cut out the round shape by following the traced line. And then repeating the same on the other piece. And now our front and back piece of the bags are ready. And now I'm taking this rectangle piece and measuring it how long I want it to be to cover the sides of the bag. Now I have taken the jeans cut out and I'm going to stick it on one of the round piece to give it some structure, since it does not have that plastic coating on one of the piece, so I'm doing it for that. So after sticking both the round pieces together, now I'm taking these rectangle piece and I'm doing the seam with it, and it will be on the bottom of the bag, so it will maintain the structure of bag nicely. So after sticking it nicely, now I'm going to cut it out and work with the other half of that burlap. And now I'm folding it in half and then cutting it. Now I will attach a zipper in between so that I can make the closure and opening for the bag. I'm placing the zipper and one of the piece right sides together and sewing it on one side. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to repeat it on the other side also. And now I'm going to top stitch them down. And also while top stitching it down, I broke the zipper. Anyways, moving forward, now I'm taking one of the round piece and I'm going to cover up whatever is written on it. So I'm going to make a pocket, and for that I'm taking the leftover fabric and sewing it together. So this is how it look after sewing it together, and also I'm going to top stitch it down so that it lays flat. And now I'm going to sew it on one of the round piece. And this is how the bag piece look like. Now we have a cute little pocket in our bag, and it also covers up whatever was written on it originally. And now I'm going to trim out all these excess fabric that is sticking out and make it a little neat. And now I'm going to attach the zipper and this plain rectangle back together, but before attaching it together I'm going to attach these loop in between so that we can attach our straps to it. And now I'm going to insert it in between them and then going to stitch them all together. And this is how it looked after sewing it all together. Very neat. And to make it more neat, I'm going to top stitch it all together down. And then I repeated the same thing on the other side also. And now we are ready to attach the circle to the rectangle to make our cute little bag. So after completing one side, I repeated the same on the other side while right sides facing each other and then sewing them together. And now I'm going to flip the bag inside out to see how it has turned out. Is it looking good or bad, cute or not? Hey guys, so a quick update. So I wanted my bag to look something like this with this flower. I decided to make it with a ribbon, white ribbon, so white lace actually. So I decided to make these flowers with white lace, and I failed, and it was also not looking so good. So what I decided after that is I would stick these flowers to my bag to cover whatever is written on it. So I will use these two. I have made it so it looks something like this. I followed a Pinterest tutorial to make this. I will also link it for you guys, and I'm going to attach it right here like so. Oops, like so, so that it covers whatever is written on it. So I will place it here like that, and one right here so that the bigger one don't feel alone. So yeah, this is my updated plan. Let's hope it would look nice. So let's go. So I'm taking these two flowers and placing it on top of the written part so that it covers up everything, and then with the help of a glue gun I'm going to stick it on that. So I'm also sticking the petals of these flowers so that it would maintain its flower shape and doesn't look like a huge pom-pom on my bag. And then repeating the same for the small flower also. So this is how the flowers look like on the bag, and now I'm going to finish it off by attaching these straps to these loops, and we are finished.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna
Thank you so much
fly.
for watching this video, you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.